all of my beautiful earthly bodies. It's your girl, your vegan friend, Johanna Earthly Ramos, and I'm back with another video. In today's video, I'm gonna share with you not one, but two amazing juice recipes that don't have a whole lot of ingredients, don't have a whole lot of dark leafy greens in them, but are still so delicious, so easy to make, and so filled with the nutrients that our bodies need. Okay? That's what's up, right? That sounds like something you want to be here for? Absolutely. But before we get started, we have a little bit of free business to take care of. You know what I'm talking about. I need for you to be sure that you have subscribed to this channel and click that notification bell so that you don't miss any of the amazing content that I have planned for you. Also, like this video, leave a comment, and share this channel with everyone you know, because who doesn't want to live their very best lives in these earthly bodies? That's what it's all about. Y'all ready to get started making some juice? I'm talking about a juice that's gonna be good for inflammation, regulating blood pressure, full of antioxidants, so the immune system will be built up and strong. And it tastes good too, both of them. All right, y'all ready to get started? Let's go. First, we gotta watch this produce. Y'all promise me you are not going to skip this step. I don't care how organic your packaging says it is, how pre-washed it says it is, how lovely the fresh market has it looking, it's dirty. Bathe your produce. We're gonna put up to 1/4 cup of white vinegar into our sink full of water and let our produce sit for 5 to 10 minutes to let it loosen up some of that dirt and debris. For these two recipes, we'll need 1 bag of celery, 1 bag of Granny Smith apples, 3 large ruby red grapefruit, 2 large navel oranges, and about 1/2 pound of ginger. That's really too much, but we can always use it for tea later. The size of the citrus really does matter, so even though we should only need 2 grapefruits and 1 orange, get that extra one of each just to be safe.
That smells delightful.
Smell
like God.
Yes, it is.
Give that produce a good rub down. It's getting ready to go into our juicers and be a gift to our bodies. quickly went back and cut each slice again to be sure that the apples fit into the juicer easily. For our first recipe, we'll need 4 to 8 pieces of celery, depending on the size, and 4 Granny Smith apples. Hopefully you were keeping track of your apples when you were slicing them. We'll also need 4 teaspoons of fresh ginger juice. Measuring ginger is always tricky. Just run enough fresh ginger through your juicer to get 1 ounce of ginger juice. The first thing we want to do is juice our ginger to get our 1 ounce of fresh ginger juice. Here I have a 1 ounce shot glass that I'm straining my ginger into. I strain it just to get rid of any of the unnecessary pulp. Set your 1 ounce shot glass aside. We're going to use that for our second recipe. The ginger that's remaining in the juicer is all we need to spice up our recipe of celery, green apple, and ginger. So just run your celery and green apples through. Here I go with this strainer again. I have a confession. My name's Johanna Earthly Ramos, and I'm bougie when it comes to my juice. I need my juice to be smooth as water. This is a great tip to get rid of any unnecessary pulp or foam left behind from your juicer.
Taste testing time.
Ginger. It's so smooth.
It's your favorite.
Ooh. Oh yeah. Yeah.
Let's get into our final recipe, Happy Rising. It is going to consist of 1.5 cups of ruby red grapefruit juice, 1/2 cup of fresh orange juice, 4 teaspoons of fresh ginger juice, and 1/4 teaspoon of organic ground turmeric. Just the way I wrote it up, we have 1 grapefruit left over. Grab your strainer and pour in your measuring cup 1.5 cups of fresh grapefruit juice. Now repeat with your oranges. We should only need 1 to get this 1/2 cup. We've got 16 ounces on the money. I know you see me eyeballing this, but don't you do it. Go grab a teaspoon measurer and get 4 teaspoons of fresh ginger juice into your jar. Feel free to add your 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric on top of your ginger, or like I do, a little later. Now you have made 2 of your new favorite juices, CEL-OUT and Happy Rising. If you've made it this far in the video, be sure to leave my favorite color in the comment section, that beautiful rainbow, and let me know if you plan on making these 2 juice recipes.
Thank y'all so much for joining us for today's video. That was fun. I enjoyed it.
I enjoyed it too.
Did you enjoy it? Great. So until next time.
Don't you forget to subscribe, like, share, comment, and mean it.
Do all the things. And we'll see you in the next video. Bye. Are you hiding it?
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.